guys, casual driving in standard mode.
What's the reaction of the passenger?
Don't know. Reaction is
You asked me.
nothing less. Just
Can I
normal.
reach you myself?
No. Beautiful
Hi.
wife.
Thank you for please also subscribe to my channel, Jang Osibar. Oh, kid, bata ako ra gilingi diretso dagan. There's a dog.
Pag minor mo guys, automatic downshift to. Pag naka-drive mode. Ganito talaga pag matic.
Automatic.
Automatic downshift pag minor.
Mamoy nga pa. Hindi mo hanapot sila sa hindi na diri pa. Uy, bipon, pinadala pa.
Yan talaga guys. Pag mag-drive, ingat-ingat lang. Ako, nagbibideo.
Ako.
Ingat-ingat din.
Yes, ikaw.
Mag-drive, don't look
Don't
at your
panic.
fucking phone. Just drive looking at the road to be safe.
To be safe.
Yeah. Don't overtake at the blind curve.
Yes. Don't
Normal
overtake.
driving. Just
relax and take
relax.
it easy.
ganito.
Ganito. Si Pa.
May ikwento ako sa'yo. Pag mag-drive,
Yes?
look at the road,
Not the food.
not the food. When you drive, don't
Eat.
drink. When you're drunk, don't drive. Don't do it guys. Yung medyo kabado pa kayo sa iyong ginagawa,
Huwag mo nang
huwag
gawin.
niyong gawin. Dahil ako, medyo okay na ako sa sarili ko na
Disclaimer. Matagal ka
video.
ng driver.
video ako.
How many years you've been
So
driving?
matagal-tagal na akong nagda-drive.
Darling? How many years you've been driving?
Thanks, grade 6 pa ako.
Grade 6 ka pa and now you are 45 years old. 45.
Hinay-hinay lang. Pagbenta, talagang birada. pag pagbenta,
When the road is clear
Clear.
and safe.
and do it yourself. Okay?
DIY? Is there also a DIY in driving? Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh, inay, inay! Toko!
Yan guys, pag kasi kabisado ko na tong
Saan?
Hilux sa ko, ate ko. So kampante lang ako bitawan yung manibela.
Huwag mong bitawan. It's not good. It's not advisable to do
It's
this
not advisable
kind of
guys,
thing.
pero ito lang casual
But
driving
Jay
para
Stacks,
malaman nyo na okay talaga pag
uy, na sila taga-deliver.
2.4 lang to guys, 2.4 liter.
Opa,
Mm.
up.
Okay, no problem. Guys, wag nang yung medyo subukan pag ganito. Hindi ito safety driving kasi nagbibideo ako while driving. Yung isang kamay ko nasa cellphone ko. Hindi talaga ito
What you got?
advisable. Pero it's okay. Just for demonstration. Safety naman ako.
Wala kay seatbelt.
Seatbelt is
Sa province, seatbelt.
ito na, override. Yung seatbelt guys, in-override ko lang. Pa rin, sinalpak ko pa rin pero hindi nakalagay sa katawan ko.
Pero
na
kailangan
nasa likod ko
mag-seatbelt,
lang.
be agad.
Override ko para hindi siya mag
Kailangan be mag-seatbelt mo, be agad na ikuhan ba yan? Proper way.
Isang araw nagdodrive ka na Hilux,
Isang
yan.
araw.
Yun ang mafe-feel mo na speed sa 2.4 liter.
Someday, dili sa araw.
Someday. Isa 2.4 liter engine guys. Automatic 6 speed automatic. Walang paddle shifter pero may plus minus.
Ako'y video ni mo, eh.
Hapit na. Almost done. 8 minutes.
Pwede na kayo makabutangan na kag ads.
Oh yes. Okay guys, siguro dito na lang putulin ko na to dahil medyo mahaba na. Malapit na mag 10 minutes.
Nakay tagline pa. Okay, tagline.
So guys, don't forget to
Like,
like and subscribe my channel.
comment,
And comment below.
hit notification bell
And hit notification bell
as well.
as well.
So that you will be updated of my upcoming latest videos.
Grabe yung asawa ko. Siya na lang yung isa na? Intro? Intro, outro?
Outro,
Outro,
exit.
exit,
Wala kay tagline.
exit tagline raw. Oh, detik tayo.
Always
konti.
remember that you're great just like everyone else.
Isang kamay lang gamitin. Okay guys, thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Jang Jang.